Paris Blockchain Week, guys. You know, I recorded one thing in January. It was the webinar, about 70-minute webinar about how to prepare to Web3 events. And now, like, I told you everything that you need to know. Like, there is no point for doing these videos then rather than just say, hey, you know, if you need to, if you want to see the whole playbook from A to Z, what am I doing on events, how to prepare for events, to make a lot of pipeline from events, just go watch this video. I will leave the link in the description. Otherwise than that, the successful event for a BD, for the business perspective, for closing business, for finding prospects, always consists of few things. One, you're signing up yourself to the main event and to the side event. Yes, you need to spend money, you need to spend budget. It's worth it. Like if you're scalable and you offer, like, you're not selling $20 per month solutions, you sell something more serious, then you need to go to main events, you need to go to the side event, you need to maximize your exposure to different people, you need to plan meetings in advance with the prospects, you need to be active, you need to be open to going and meeting people, you need to leave the lasting expression, and don't forget to follow up after you have done all that work, because that would really suck if you lost your Telegram or whatever happened to you, that you didn't follow through with the people that you have met and they forgot about you, you forgot about them, and basically the event is going to be down in the drain. So main thing, book meetings, go to side events, buy tickets, and have fun. Like, events are there for you to do business, but at the same time they allow you to do things that you won't be able to do just online. Even having conversation, it's way more open. You can discuss the hobbies, you can talk about multiple things. So it's important. Like, just go on the Paris Blockchain Week. Remember, it's Paris. Go get some culture, get some good experience outside of the conference. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All the links are going to be in the description, as well as subscribe to the channel if you're there. If you have not subscribed yet, there's also going to be links for my Telegram community and my Telegram handle. If you want to DM me about any kind of collaboration opportunities, I'm going to be open. Wishing you an amazing event in Paris. I'm also going to be there. So if you're there, DM me, let's meet up, and let's do some business together. See ya.